but we'll publish the rates and see. Last time also there was no issue. See, as everyone knows, there always been some sort of illegality or whatever in that distribution of those forms. People will come take 5-6 forms, sell them for extra money. Last year we decided to tie up with the bank. Okay, so this bank they post their individuals. We leave all the forms with them at all. So now there is no issue at all. All of that money that was supposed to go to agents and whatever it is now coming to the corporation. So when the collection over the previous years have been 15 lakhs, 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs, it's reached 1 crore now. So we only want the good financial health of the corporation. So we will follow this procedure. We don't want people unnecessarily making money that should be coming to the corporations and putting it in their pocket and everything.
Regarding agendas that you are having.
So there were 2 or 3 main agendas. One is we want to redevelop the fish market. Now, as everyone knows, fish market is in a horrible condition. It's not been done for a long time. The drains are not proper. The ladies there are sitting in like terrible conditions. So we want to redo that entire market. We want to have proper chopping areas, proper drainage systems, water tank, bathroom facilities, everything for them. That was one. Second one was we also want to get phase 3 of the market approved. So that is the second agenda. And pay parking. That one is renewal of the pay parking, phase 2 and phase 3, and introduction of phase 4 pay parking. Those are the main points basically.
So even
Duty secretary now. We had issued demolition orders, but they had gone to the district court asking for a stay. Problem is now that secretary has not heard. He keeps deferring the matter. Now this is the 3rd or 4th matter that he's deferring. So we had we had gone to the chief secretary to ask for his intervention. As of now, nothing is happening. So we'll check and see what will
There was issue was market evacuation. There are old dilapidated buildings. So there was the issue regarding the
that also we issued demolition order. Then also they
so
went to
not
district
agreeing to
court.
vacate the building.
See, because when the building was built, no, they were given areas of 200 square meters, 300 square meters. So right now it is not financially viable also, no. CCP will have to break it down, compensate them, give them 300 areas, and we have to comment on the old vendors also. So like that we have to check and see what can be done first.
50 crores सांगला त्यांनी वन
That will take
कॅमेरा
up with the Smart City Commission. That has been some 2000, the minutes have been finalized in 2016-17, they had done all of that. So that you speak to the commissioner, to the Smart City Commission, we'll give you all those.
Thirdly, the pathetic state of the roads in Batlem, which was mentioned, and the responsibility of the contractor. So who is paying for
इवन
this?
एक ॲम्ब्युलन्स सुद्धा ते स्टॉप झाली एक व्हिडिओ व्हायरल होता
I know. So that was, see now that we had written to PWD to get that road done also now. Now as Uday had said correctly that contractor didn't do a very good job. So we spoke to the engineer in the morning. He told us that temporarily they are putting that rubble and cutty and everything and they're covering it. So as and when the rain stops, then they will have to redo that entire thing. But Uday said is correct, but that contractor should be held accountable for what he has done.
But the resolution has taken this.
We will take a resolution and send it to them, not a problem. That's fine.
ब्लॅकलिस्ट घालवायचं का सगळ्यात मागणी
That also we will do, not a problem.
पण घालताले ब्लॅकलिस्ट कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर
No, that is up to PWD also now. We will write to them. And then, but contractors like this who don't do good work should be blacklisted also now. The state of our city is horrible based on all the works that the contractors have done.
checkputty fair market stalls
See, Baba, the market association is not paying us rent at all. It is very easy for them to oppose. Once they start paying us, so maybe then I will consider the option. Until then, no.
The contract that which was about
Lease?
what
So basically, there is the formality. See, Surain and all were talking though. The problem was during that time also the formality was not followed properly. There were certain signatures that was not done. The property was not transferred onto the corporation name. So now we had to spend months getting all of that resolved. Now there is only one signature pending from somebody from GMC or from the health department. Once that comes, then we will send the lease agreements to the law department. See, law department has almost vetted the thing. There is no issue with that. They just send 1 or 2 queries. Once we resolve this, we will have the thing. That's why I'm saying the restaurant association now they also have a responsibility towards the people of Panjab. Now they have been for all these years not been paying rent, not contributing to the market at all. We spent 8.5 crores on electricity bills. Now 4.5 crores to do roofing while they are reaping the benefits, which should not be the case. So now they have told, the association has told me that once the lease agreement is there, that they would sign it. I'm hoping that they come forward. It will become a huge boon because there are a lot of improvements that need to be done in the market also.
Secondly, the roads which were built up by the smart city, especially the Kampalvi, that recently the flooding was there. So CCP had to do the work. Is this coming under CCP or what's the
अँड इवन ॲट पाटो ड्रेनेज आधी ओव्हरफ्लो जाता
See that again also. See, only 30% of that road project has been completed. Now we had sent them a lot of reminder letters earlier also, telling them that your the cross sections have not been done. Well, built drains, but they have not been connected to the main drains. It's only after the first rain when it flooded that is when they started taking everything seriously. Now they are going to start resuming work sometime in September and October. Now they've not taken any of our main roads yet. So 18 June Road, AB Road, all of those roads are still pending. So hopefully once they start those roads and finish those roads, then the whole network will be completed. WRD also supposed to have another proposal also where they bring in money to augment the system. We'll see how it goes.
G Soda was also involved.
Chisoda is only on 2 roads. That is that Santanes Road and that Rudhaurim Road, which they will start soon.
After monsoon, they start
Yeah,
करतात.
they'll start.
So what is WRD related to the flooding and all? So what exactly you will write to WRD regarding the flooding happening in
Yogi Nagar.
Yeah.
And Yogi Nagar thing. See, we had done an inspection last time also. See, now WRD, that is one of the successful projects that we've had under Smart City. That Malay area does not flood now. Yogi Nagar is a smaller part that we have to take care of. So now what Shubham is asking is to raise the height of the wall. See, Shubham, he's had a stressful relationship with those engineers also. Like they blame him, he blames them. If it's not working out, then we will go straight to the chief engineer or to the minister if necessary, and we'll seek a solution with them. That is one issue that we want to fix.
So what's the update on the national threat?
आज रिकॉर्डिंग आणून गेल्या वर्षामध्ये संचालन झालं आहे ना या 2 महिन्या लागून एका प्रमाणे काय झालं आपण करून दाखवतो काय झालं बाबा पण तुम्ही कुशी बांधला होय तुम्ही उद्या झालं काय ना या वेळेस काय झालं ना
ओल्ड मार्केट में नोटिस झालं किती झालं ओल्ड मार्केट नोटीस
आणि याच्यामध्ये खोबरे government for we have to be report from council review. Now 5 days I am following that file. जे तलाशात झाले सविताकडे असा सविता मला झाले सावंताकडे असा आज 2 फ्रायडेचा नाव नारायण सांगता नारायण म्हणाला आज सकाळी नारायण झाले मला झेरॉक्स मी काढली म्हणून झेरॉक्स काढली नाही सांगता आता झेरॉक्स मी काढली म्हणून मला सांगता गेलं धंदा लावून गेलो कमिशनरी कोणी सांगता हे करून मला आता सांगता मला आपले झेरॉक्स पंच आला सावंत सांगला सावंत चलाच राहिला आता गाडी कमिशनर पाहिजे ही आमचा ट्रीटमेंट. तू हे मला तू सारखं सांगू शकतो तिकडे फायदा घेऊन घेतला 2 महिने झाले 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 तुम्ही किती करता हांगासर आनी तुम्ही कितें नाटकां करता म्हणून सगळीं खबर आसा कशें तुम्ही तोडतात हांगासर अरे हांव इतको दीस त्रास करून ती फायल हे करता वॉर्डन प्रॉब्लेम जाला म्हणून आनी तुम्ही म्हाका एक हे करून झुकलून उडयता सावंताची नाटकां आमकां खबर ना हांव शाबा कडेन पगार पयशे घेता फिक्स करपाक हेची नाटकां आमकां खबर ना कसो चोर हो तो हो म्हाका सकाळी म्हाका वॉर्डर मारले हेणे आपल्या मुलांनी झेरॉक्स काडल्या म्हणटालो आनी आतां म्हाका आमकां काय ना म्हणून फायल आपल्या कडेन पावूंक ना म्हणून हो सावंत सांगतो हो नारायण सावंत सॉरी नारायण ही फकाणां जाल्या आमची No, I'm not shouting. I'm telling you.
Why are you telling me?
What Narayan said? What Narayan said? Jaros Kalia. That is what I additional agenda. Other no.
What he said. At least tell us.
Oh, Narayan said was no. What he told me that everything is ready. Additional agenda is no. And other with agenda, Maka Anta to Mota.
Supplements are there, no?
Yeah, but science, commission, everybody has science. What Narayan today said that Jaros Kalia, that agenda, additional agenda असता. हांव कितें जालो न्ही? म्हाका तें सांगलें ना म्हणून फायल बाबा येयली हांव तेन्ना सांगता म्हणून तुमकां ह्यो बाबा हें जावना म्हणून पूण ही ट्रिटमेंट ना म्हणटा आमकां ही ट्रिटमेंट आमकां
तो 4 वर्सां माझी मॉडल येता कामच केलें ना
बरं तूं उलयता म्हाज्या फाटल्यान रोडाचें मातशें पयलीं उलयना फाटल्यान रोड आमचो रोड 21 मेच्याक रोड हॉटलिस्ट केल्लो मॅडम जावं तुमी हें करून हॉटलिस्ट केल्लो जुलयाच्या 10 तारखेक तो कंडिशन सामकें वर्स्ट जालें हांवें खबर काडली कोण तरी फोन येतो तो कोण तरी एकटो कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर आनी तो गोंयकार केल्ल्या फोंड्या लोकांक दिसलो आमकां लोकल काम केल्लाय हांव मागता तुमचे त्या रोडाची जी परिस्थिती पळयल्या ते एम्बुलन्स सुद्दां कशी मदीं काल त्या सारकी उरली बंद पडली कशी उरली ती पळयल्या मागीर आमी ती वचून थंय एम्बुलन्साक हें केली डेली थंय 2-3 जाण पडटात ते एम्बुलन्स आफोवची पडटात 108 आफोवची पडटात हांव तुका एक रिक्वेस्ट करता की हेल्थ मिनिस्टर सांगून एक थंय रोड सारको जाय सर एम्बुलन्स थंय दवर म्हणून डेली तांकां तेच त्रास रातचे पडटा कोण पडटा तें पडटा म्हाका एकूच तुका रिक्वेस्ट आसा की ते PWDचे कोण तो केला सर्वे तो सुपरवायज करतालो तेजेर एक्शन घेवची जो कोण कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर ताका ब्लॅक लिस्टार घालची आनी तेजे कडल्यान जे कोण तेणें तें केलां सगळें काम करून घेवचें कमिशनर म्हाका त्याला फोन केला आपूण ती कंपनी पडल्या ते म्हणलो आपूण हें करता बरें काम केलें तुमी पूण हांव म्हणटा जें काम कॉन्ट्रॅक्टरान करूंक जाय आसलें तें काम आमी कित्याक करप आमी कित्याक काम करप आमी कित्याक पयशे करप त्या कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर आफोय ताका सांग बाबा हें काम तुवें केलां सारकें करून सिटी आमची आमी हांव बापूय आमी ते जस्ट एजन्सी एजन्सी काम करपाक ते जर का सारकें काम करना जाल्यार तेका आमी हाडून ताका विचारूंक जाय बाबा कितें काम केलां काय म्हणून आज तो भाटल्यान रोड बिजी रोड फ्रॉम टीबी हॉस्पिटल टू हॉस्पिटल चपल आमकां लागना तेका लागता वॉर्ड तो सुशेगाद आसा तेका कांय टेन्शनूच ना लोक आमकां थंयच्यान म्हाका फोन करता हे त्रास आमी काडटा पूण तेंचेर एक्शन जावंक जाय हांव तुमचे कडेन मागता की इमिजिएटली एक रेजोल्युशन घेवन हेच्या फुडें अशें कोणी करचें न्ही कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर ट्रेनिंग जावचें न्ही म्हणून एक रेजोल्युशन घेवन तेका PWD लेटर करा की हेचेर एक्शन जावंक जाय म्हणून
Action later, CCP has won the case. It's a very good decision. I've been upset for a very, very long time. You know what document they supply to me. Now, I only want to know whether you have instructed the lawyer to file a caveat in the Supreme Court. I will tell you, if you don't file a caveat, the so-called tenant will go there in Supreme Court, carry stay, and for 10 years will be hanging there. Immediately tomorrow itself, caveat should be filed in the Supreme Court. Why caveat? Because if the so-called tenant goes there for a stay, CCP will be called to argue there and there. If caveat is not filed, he can get a stay, and then we will have to hang around for 10 years in Supreme Court, unable to do nothing. So please see to it. You got a big battery of technical lawyers, senior lawyers. Nobody guided you.